Hello my materialistic minions, today I am coming to you with one of the coolest things ever. So do your cats ever bother you, maybe even wake you up in the middle of the night? You're just like, man, I wish I could just put a nice cat door in there. Well, this is the coolest cat door ever because not only does it kind of swing back and forth like this conventionally, but you can slide one of those green or red tabs to either side to allow them to go in one direction if in fact you needed that option. How cool is that? But anyway, let's talk about the actual installation process. So yes, it does come with a little template, so you just pop it on there with the double-sided tape that they give you, and you draw that out. Then you're gonna pop a pilot hole in there with a drill, and once you've got that, you're going to get your jigsaw and go along there. And this is a metal door, so I had to have a metal blade. And yeah, my door is pretty darn thick, and yet it still sliced through pretty well. And then once you've gone all the way around, then you're going to go ahead and knock that out violently, smash it with your head like that, and there we go. And that pretty much is the perfect fit. All you have to do is then sandwich it on there, kind of like an ice cream sandwich, and there are no jagged edges whatsoever. You will have to actually use some included screws that they have. I kind of had to take one out and put the other one in, but they give you a lot of screw options, and so don't be too concerned about whether or not the screws will fit. I guarantee you 99% of doors out there it's going to work just fine. However, I would recommend popping a pilot hole in there with a drill, just a tiny little pilot hole, especially if your door is metal like mine is right there. Also, another thing that I kind of like about this door is that it is small enough that a small person, like a child, cannot necessarily squeeze through. So if you have a thief problem in your neighborhood of children sneaking into your houses through cat doors, well, I don't think they'll be able to get through this one. So there you go, I just popped some pilot holes, and then I'm continuing to put the screws in with one hand. Can I do it with one hand? I can do it with one hand. Yes, there we go. And that just snugs it up nicely. And then lastly, just a nice little finishing touch, you put these little nubbins on the very end like so, pop it on, and that is pretty much it. Arguably the easiest cat door I have ever had the joy of installing. Took me about 30 minutes. Hope this helps.